You guys have a merged business family.
Yes.
For our podcast listeners, this is a new concept because this is our first interview in India. Can you describe what that means to have a merged business family?
Until I was 28, we all lived together. My father, my father's brothers, we all lived together in the same house. And we used to share the kitchen, common kitchen also. So that was the kind of, setup we had when we were coming up. And all my cousins, we used to call them brothers only. So we were all brought up in the family as brothers and sisters. So, and then, see, basically, whatever I do, I don't want to do something it's for me. I always want to ensure that it's for the family and it's for the community. So this is the basic, principle and philosophy which was imbibed or taught by our, my father or my grandfather. So this is something, and then business is just not for making money. And business, through business you have to service people. Though we have a lot of, we can afford to have a royal life, but we are very simple and we are principled. We don't spend what is not required, and we want to always we want to invest more on the business and we want to be an industrialist. We don't want to be just a businessman. We want to be an industrialist. We want to give back something to the community, which has helped us to grow up to this level.
And that's an answer we've heard from all of our very successful business leaders. Again, notice the theme of giving back to the community. 50% of all millionaires in the world today are created through small business. This is ubiquitous across all cultures, by the way. Who creates the jobs? Who provides the tax revenue for the governments? It's the people that create the sales, that are driving the economy, that are increasing the velocity of trade through payroll tax, through sales tax, and other ways for governments to capture the entrepreneur's effort. It is, in fact, the entrepreneurs that build the communities. It is, in fact, the entrepreneurs that invest in human development the most, because without human development, you don't have a company and I don't have a company. That's what human development means.